Grand Rising, everyone. So, this one real quick, I want to talk about, I guess, the terms that people use as terms of endearment. So I was at work, this white chick, and she was complaining about another coworker. And when she started talking about him, he is white, a male. So as she was complaining about him, she was like, yeah, and then this nigga here, he the type of nigga that woo woo. And it was like, wait. So it's this thing where we say that white folks or people that aren't of color can't say nigga. Now, first off, the word nigger, it means ignorant. So if she was using the term as ignorant, I mean, it works. And I mean, that is the original meaning for it, ignorant. But we have turned it into a term of endearment, as in, what up, fam? What up, folks? My nigga, my people, things like that. Just like bitch. You know, bitch means female dog. That is what bitch means, female dog. But guys try to use it as a term of endearment, and females use it now as a term of endearment towards each other, but it's not. It means female dog, a bitch. So it's like, you know, sometimes people want to use this a term of endearment, then sometimes it's like, what? You call me a bitch? What? She said nigga? It's like, so, you know what I'm saying? You accept it sometimes, then other times you don't, depending on who's saying it, when they saying the time, if the time ain't right. So my thing is, how do you guys feel about that? Do you let white people say nigga? Do you let black people say nigga? Indian people, Mexicans? I mean, everyone is technically from the root of being black. Most people. So, most of them are black. And to go to the root of that, that's why I guess sometimes they feel like it's okay to say nigga. But so some people feel like because pretty much all races root from black people that they are technically black. You know, Indians, black, Mexicans, black, Arabs, black. So they feel like when they say nigga, I mean, they kind of are. They kind of come from the culture of being black people. But at the same time, depending on who it is, they're like, nah, you're not black. Your family wasn't slaves, rah, rah, rah. But like I said, the real meaning of nigga is ignorant. So, you know what I'm saying? We basically testify to being ignorant people, and we agree with it, and we go with it. No matter if we try to flip it to a term of endearment or whatever, it means ignorant. Just like bitch means female dog. Like, I don't want to be your bitch. I'm not your female dog. You cannot call me a bitch and be like, oh no, I mean bae, it mean boo, it mean that we. No, then you just call me bae or boo or baby or whatever. Then you call me the names that you're supposed to say. I'm not a bitch. I'm not anybody's female dog. No, thank you. That I don't even understand why guys do that. Yeah, and then my bitch was like, that is so rude and disrespectful. I'm not that. I just don't understand it. And the word nigga, I say it. Almost everybody I know says it. And like I said, when old girl starts saying it at work, it was like, wait, hold on there. We're not gonna get into that. Calm down. But at the same time, shit, if you saying it in the term of, yeah, and this ignorant motherfucker over here, I mean, shit. Maybe you just need to say the word ignorant then. I need you not to say the word nigga, because things can go left any which way depending on what black person you're around. You might just get slapped in the mouth. You might get punched in the mouth. I mean, they might give you a talking to. But I just feel like maybe the words need to be eliminated. They're not going to be eliminated. They're a part of history. It is what it is. So there's nothing we can really do about this right now. But we need to figure out how we're going to handle it when other people say it. We need to figure out how we're going to handle it going forward, as far as us even using these words and passing these words along to our children. Like, I'm saying these things, but there's billions of people in the world. So is my message going to reach everybody and everybody going to stop saying bitch and nigga? Probably not. You know what I'm saying? People have been preaching this for a long time. Probably when rap music first started and they were going against it, they were like, oh, hell no, this shit is real rowdy. And it's only gotten worse. So it pretty much isn't going to change. It's going to stay where it is right now. But my thing is, we can try to make it better ourselves. I don't know. Maybe we can tell white folks to calm down when they calling other people niggas. Yeah, you may be calling them ignorant, or maybe calling them nigga because you kick with a whole bunch of black folks and you feel very comfortable saying it. But I need you not to. I need you to calm down. With that being said, this video is over. That's all I want to talk about. Old girl randomly saying nigga, guy saying bitch, everybody thinking it's cool and just a term of endearment. It's not. Don't call me that. I'm not your bitch. Not at all. I'm not. You guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Bye.